Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great weekend, and I'm going to do a reverse swipe with black and some pretty colors. This is a 14 by 14 canvas, and I am going to spray my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray just so we can release all the paint from the cup. Never spray over your canvas because it will cause resistance. I'm not going to rub that in, I'm just going to leave it setting in the bottom. And when I spray far enough away that it gets the sides. So today's colors are Lucas Permanent Violet, Lucas Turquoise, Liquitex Deep Violet, Blick Prism Violet, Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. These are all almost empty, that's why I'm using them all up. And of course I have the Deco Art 24 karat gold. And it's beautiful when it dries. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the gold. And these are mixed with my recipe. And those links for those videos for the bottled paints as well as the base paint I'll be using, the links are below in the description for those videos. So on top of that 24 karat, I'm going to go ahead and use the violet, the deep violet, good generous amount, permanent violet, I'm sorry. Follow that with Lucas Turquoise, Liquitex Deep Violet, Blick Prism Violet, and that one really sank, Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue, go back with this gold. And some more permanent violet. Want to finish these up, you know, because Alan loves washing bottles. It's the only job he really has out here besides keeping me company on Monday nights. Don't make him do too much. Some deep violet. He doesn't mind. This is good. I don't know if I have any more of this left in here. Let's see if we can get a smidge out. I'm going to do the gold from way up high. Okay, a smidge of that left. Alright, so now I'm just going to flip this right in the middle of my canvas. And today I'm using the base coat. I have tried it with just the black pouring paint, but I think it's too heavy. I think it comes out better when we use this one. Alright, let me just torch some of those bubbles out. Alright, so all my paint is down. I'm going to go ahead and let that go. And immediately I will grab this paint, pull it over. So I'm sandwiching the color between the black. A lot of people struggle with this. As long as you're getting some black on top of it, doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Let that set for a second. Let it relax. Okay, now here's where I like to torch. Just to pop some air. It does help bring up some color. And I'm going to go ahead and start tilting. So I'm going to move it around first. Always bringing that paint back to the middle so that all your paint is flowing together and not stretching out your cells too much. That band is really pretty. I don't want to lose that, but I do want to take off some of this black. It's very glary because of the lights and the black. Wipe my hands real quick. Loving that deep violet in there. Okay, so we're going to torch and then we're going to let it set. Okay, let's let it set for 10 and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Wow. Not a lot of gold showing up, but it is there in through this purple here as well. I'm going to go ahead and clean off my edges. No reason to torch again. We have plenty of cells. It went a little crazy, didn't it? Of course, the lighting is horrible because it's so bright. Let me give you a close-up. But you can see that gold in there. But I'm loving it. So I'm going to leave it. I've got some great skins I can pick up as well. And I will get those done when I'm finished with this video. But that was definitely a reverse swipe that all the color actually showed up. The black definitely sunk quickly. I do have some spots that I love where the black is showing. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click that button. Click on that bell for notifications. That way you get notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share. Leave me a comment. Check out all the links below for the paint mixing videos, as well as codes for Stone Coat resin. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Visit our Etsy shop. We have jewelry in there that we make from our runoff. And also join the Parage Posse on Facebook. Lots of artists and I should say fans. We have quite a few that don't paint that just come in to check everything out. And check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook as well. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all next week. Bye now.